Okay, so we're going to look at the Revit to Lumion Live Sync tool. It's a little tool inside of Revit, but over here in Lumion, you can see we've got some OpenStreetMap data, and as we zoom in, you can see we've got some drone captured model context as well, and you can see the project is around this building. Now, what we're doing in Revit, and is really the purpose of this little tutorial, is we're modeling in these construction zones. So this is the purple you can see here. You zoom in there, you can see it's a construction zone, and the green arrow with the arrowheads, that's a sort of a access and egress to the site. And so we are going to be modeling a little zone in here, and I'm going to show you how to do it in the Live Sync tool. In Revit, you can see here is our construction zones, green, orange. You can see we've got a little bit of construction elements. But over up the top here, we're going to model in a site hut. So in the Lumion add-in, we have the Live Sync tool. I can turn it on here. Just click on the play button. Now, if I go into the settings, I'll just stop that. Go into the settings. I can see I'm just simply linking in via BasePoint. So we're going to turn the Live Sync on, and we're going to start modeling away. So using the Live Sync, it's a bit of a time-saving hack. I've got my OpenStreetMap data and I've got my drone model. And what I can do is I can kind of rough in my construction zones around the areas I want. You know, we've got trees, we've got a road, we've got some cars. I can model in my construction site hut or the zone for it just pretty loosely. So let's slide over the Lumion window and the Revit window. This way you're going to be able to really see how the Live Sync works in real time. And to zoom it a bit closer so we can see what we're doing. Now these construction zones, they're actually floor elements. Just going to grab one we've already created, I'm going to control drag, so create a copy of it, and I'm going to adjust the height of it. It's actually an in-place family, so we can adjust the height of it. Drag it up so we can see it. Now you can see it's appearing live inside of Lumion, real time. So as I adjust the width of it, you can see it adjust in Lumion, and it's great. So I can actually do my editing inside of Revit, and I can see how it interacts. So let's go and edit this in-place family. Let's go and change the shape of it and edit the sketch. We're going to add in some definition around these trees. So I've sped this up. Let's change the shape, and we're going to use the drag handles inside the Live Sync with Lumion. I can adjust these, and let's change our view here in Lumion. So a bit more top down. Now, as I adjust it around these trees, we can use the Live Sync tool to get it somewhat accurately around these trees. A little more adjustment. Let's spin the model around. Okay, that's starting to look pretty good and about where I want this construction zone. Maybe the end of this path here. Let's drag it back to the end of the tree. And that is the Revit Lumion Live Sync, a very useful tool. Thanks for watching.